Hi guys, in this video we will see how to work Gennie with Asana. So what we do, we'll take a transcription of a meeting or basically any meeting which happens, and then let's say we want to identify the tasks from that meeting and create those tasks on Asana automatically. So Gennie has integration with several AI meeting note takers like Granola, Fireflies, Phantom, etc. But you can also upload meetings manually and then do the same thing, right? So here we are uploading the meeting manually and then identifying the task and assigning them to our team on Asana with just one click. Okay, so let's see how that can be done. So before that, we'll have to integrate Asana first, right? So I'll go to my app. So as of now, I have not integrated any apps. So I can integrate Asana, GitHub, Gmail, Trello, whatever tools I'm using. Since we are focusing on Asana, so I'll just integrate Asana. So I'll click install, click connect Asana. It will go ask me to authenticate my Asana, which I've already done. So probably it will just ask me to select my project. Okay, so I'll click my workspace, MVP, and then assignee. So by default, I want all the tasks to be assigned to me. So these things work. These are the default settings where you don't provide anyone, then they assign it to you, and then some default due date, right? So if you don't give these values, then these get used. Otherwise, whatever you will give as part of your settings, those will be used, right? So my Asana is connected. So now let's upload a meeting manually and just create task on Asana in just one click. Okay, so I'll go and copy my meeting transcription. So I'll give this name, meeting Asana demo. Okay, so here I can select the participant, that who all were people who were part of this meeting. So when you have integration, it automatically, so I can add participant manually. So a lot of time it identifies the participant from the tools which are connected, but this is a demo Asana. Here only I have 2 users, and so it's showing 2. But let's say if it is an actual account and there are 20 people in my Asana, then it will bring all 20 of them, right? And now I'll ask it to generate task. So now it is going through my meeting transcription and then generating task. So now it has identified so many tasks, right, from the meeting. And if I want, I can go and edit this task. Let's say Vishal to share facilities screen version 2.0, whatever, right? And I'll update. So let's say I don't need this task. And then what I can do, I can just delete it. So basically I'll probably spend a couple of seconds just to review, okay, what is needed, what is not needed. If I want to update something, I'll update it. Okay, and I'll continue, right? And maybe if I want to assign some due date, so it will assign the due date which I'll give. If I don't select it here, then it will take the default due date which we have already given while installing Asana, right? So we can do this. Now let's say I want to push all these tasks to my Asana, right? So as of now, if I go to my Asana board, it has just 2 tasks. So either we can do one by one. So let's say I say select whatever, let's say these 3 tasks I want to go to Asana. I'll just click execute. They will be pushed to Asana. So it is completing one by one. This one is done, and I can also see the task. So the task is here and it is assigned to me, right? So wherever I have not given the due date, it has already taken the 5 days which we have given in the configuration, right? So all these tasks are here. Now if I want to push all these tasks, I can just select all of them, remove the one which are already completed. Basically it's completely up to me. I want to push all of them, some of them whom I want to assign from my team members. If I'm using multiple tools, I can choose them, whether this task will go to Asana or go to Trello, or maybe this is not a task, this is an email, then it will go to my email, which we'll cover in some other video, and then I'll just execute. So all of them will start appearing in my Asana one by one and will get assigned to the respective team members with the exact timeline, label, project, everything. Right, so all these should be here in a few seconds. So you see all these tasks are starting here, right? So this way you are basically taking your meeting notes, meeting conversation, and pushing them to your project management tool by just click of a mouse. That's basically, so there's no task remain unassigned, no task is without owner, every task has a deadline, and it get pushed to your project management tools, Asana, Trello, Jira, GitHub, HubSpot, Salesforce, whatever you use, right? So this is the use case of Gennie. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.